My parents provided this year a treat for my birds, in fact, and this is Toby tucking into his treat there. There are what are called egg biscuits. It's basically sort of a baked cake with lots of egg food and some sort of nuts and stuff, which they are like a treat, basically, and there are several of them dotted around here. That's Jojo, who believes, of course, that the treat totally belongs to him. He's already frightened off at Muhsin, who's tried. Toby's a little bit more well established. Muhsin is still waiting there to be able to be let in to have his portion, so to speak. But they are dotted around the aviary as well. I've got one up here. That's the second one, and they'll be able to peck at that. I think that's what the contingent over here, wherever they are thinking of doing. There's another one you can possibly make out stuck to the wall up there. That's three. That's three for the finches and the canaries. I put the one on the ground primarily so that the quails can have them. The quail will tuck into it after nightfall, no doubt, when all the rest of the birds are away. And one is inside so that during the evening, when the bird rooms are closed, they can all still enjoy it. Everything is dominated by these canaries to begin with. Muhsin is finally being able to tuck in. Toby's already eaten some. Jojo's gone away for a bit. Louis is considering having some as well, which is fantastic. Oops! And the zebra finches are spotting it. Yes, the zebra finches are now moving in to see if they can't enjoy some as well. Well, they will do shortly. They're beginning to surround the canaries here. Funny things are birds. Anyway, you might like to know that not without some fun are my budgies here, and there is two for them. One is stuck in that hollow there. They like to bark strip here, and so they'll find it there, and no doubt they'll eat some. Budgies aren't quite as good at just spotting things though, so the final one is down here. It's right at the feeding station there, between the water and the food. There is nothing for them inside during the night, because A, there was only 5 sticks, and B, there's nowhere to really put it inside except over the food bowl, and if they don't like it, then, well, you know, I don't want to deprive them of normal stuff. So there we are. The birds have had an Easter feast as well. Oh, the canaries have found the other one here, you see. Jojo's now saying that this is his, and of course where Jojo goes and eats, Muhsin is quick to follow. No, 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 it's mine, he says. So anyway, yes, and then of course you see that's Jojo. That's Jojo fighting other people away. He wasn't actually, strictly speaking, fighting there, but he gets in their face and snaps his beak and puts out his wings. Nothing deters Muhsin though. He's not fragile at all. Look, he's making his revenge move here, see? And he'll keep going until Jojo tires of it, and then he'll enjoy himself as well. The other canaries are not stupid, and they just wait. There we go again. Look. I want some. Why Muhsin can't just enjoy the rest of it down there, I don't know. But there we are. I'm actually going to get some of these birds out into the flight in a minute, because I'm afraid that they're not actually going to notice it. Some of them have already gone in for the night because night is falling, and they haven't seen what is up there inside for them because it's too dark in there. So I'm going to get them all out for a bit, just for 5 or 10 minutes, and they'll soon discover and eat and then return. I don't want Jojo to get any more obese than he is now, bless him. So yes, there we are. So I've had, oh look, Louis is happy and he's singing. Anyway, so I have had a fantastic afternoon with my family celebrating Easter. A lovely cooked meal featuring lamb, in fact. Sing off between the pair. And Jojo is still very pissed, in fact, at Muhsin for getting in his way earlier. But there we are. Lovely dinner, and of course we exchanged Easter eggs. I don't really do Easter eggs, I don't encourage it really, but we did it this year. So there we are.